it's asking us, how do you write 3/5 as a percent? 3/5. Maybe I'll use a little bit lighter color here. 5 as a percent. So what we can do here is, what do we have here? Well, we have 3/5, which is some type of fraction. And we want to convert this into a percent. So how do we convert fractions into a percent? Well, this arrow here, this process is simply just multiplying by 100%, right? So what we have here is we have 3/5. I can multiply this by 100% to get us our percentage value here. So we have 3/5. What we can do here is 3/5 times multiplied by 100%. Well, what I can do first is I can simply divide 100 by 5 here, right? So okay, I can take out this 5 here, and then I can also do 100 divided by 5, which is going to equal 20. So therefore, we have simply just operation 3 times 20. We know 3 times 20 is going to equal 60. And this will be our percent for our question here. So we can say, therefore, 3/5 is 60%. And as you can see, this solution here is correct because you convert 3/5 to percentage form. So 3/5 by 100, and 3/5 times 100 is equal 60%. So this solution here is correct.